I know estate administration can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. When a person dies, someone needs to manage and finalize the deceased person's estate and ultimately distribute their assets and effects. If a person has prepared a will, the will authorizes and directs an executor, now called the estate trustee, on how to deal with the estate and who should benefit from the assets. When there is a will, it will often need to be probated so that it can be accepted as a valid will by the court. This also gives a representative their authority to deal with the estate and communicate with financial institutions, government bodies, and professionals. If someone dies without having a valid will, someone needs to step forward, usually the spouse or next of kin, to administer the estate. The assets will then be distributed according to a specific order prescribed by the law in Ontario. Administering an estate can be very complicated depending on how big the estate is. An estate is defined as all real and personal property owned by a person at the time of death. It will also include their debts, such as taxes, mortgages, lines of credits, utilities. There are many requirements and responsibilities for an estate trustee, and this can be quite a burden. We strongly recommend an estate trustee work with a lawyer to ensure that no errors are made before distributing assets to the beneficiaries. This makes the estate administration process more accurate and less daunting for everyone.